Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to change owner in Confluence. So I'll open up this space right here, and for this demonstration, let's transfer a page. So this one right here, I'll click on it. And then what I want you to do here on the right hand panel, you'll see these icons floating, okay? Click on show details, this one right here. And you'll see the creator. This is the owner right here. You will see it says owner. To change it, all you need to actually do is click on this icon next to it. As you can see, it says change owner. So click on this, and then right here, you can choose a new owner. They're in this space, or you can type in their username. Okay. And then just click here on change owner. That's all there is to it. And that is how to change owner in Confluence.